What's up, everyone? Welcome to the video. Today we're going to take a look at how to replace the battery in this Ford Maverick remote key fob. This Ford Maverick key fob is going to use replacement battery CR2450, and I'll put a link in the description box of this video to where you can find these replacement batteries if you're in need. So the first thing we're going to do is grab our key fob and remove the emergency key that's on the bottom of it. That's done by pressing this button here that my thumb's on, and the emergency key will pull out like that. Now if we hold our key fob with the buttons facing down and we take a look at the bottom of it, we see there's this notch right here that the end of my key's on. What I'm going to do is take my key and push it in the notch like that, make sure it's all the way pushed in. Then I'm going to angle up and push up on this back cover and pop that off there. And it can take a good amount of pressure to pop that off. Once we get the back cover off, we see our battery right here. And for this part, I'm going to grab a small screwdriver or even something like with a point on it. You just want it to fit in this notch right here. What I'm going to do is put my screwdriver in there and get under the battery and pop out of that holder. Once we get the old battery out, we'll grab our new replacement battery, and you want to make sure that you're installing that with the plus side up, positive side up. And I'm going to kind of start this outer edge in first like that, kind of angle it in there like that, then snap it down into place. Then we'll put this back cover on, and we take a look at the back cover. You can see there's that tab right there at the end of my finger's near. What I'm going to do is slide that tab in first like that, and then snap that back cover down. Slide the emergency key back in, and that's it. If you could take a second to like and subscribe, it helps us out, and I'd appreciate it. Thank you.